All right, I've just landed in Mount Rainier and the snow is incredible. I'm geared up and ready for an epic winter camping adventure. I've got the map right here. When we take a left past the trailhead, it's gonna be epic.
Okay, got it.
Just need to get this pack in. All right, heading up to Mount Rainier for some winter camping. Conditions are snowy out there, but we're prepared for anything. All right, let's see what we've got for this winter adventure. First up, the tent. Got to keep the snow out, right? Then the backpack loaded with layers.
This looks a bit uneven. This spot here, sheltered by the tree, looks perfect.
All right, this is the perfect spot. Right here, see? Plenty of room for the blue inflatable tent. I'm clearing this spot here, making sure the ground is flat for the tent and removing any sharp rocks or branches that might poke through. All right, first, lay it flat, spread it out, check the valves, make sure it's ready for air. All right, time to get this bad boy inflated. First, connect the nozzle firmly. You'll need a good seal. Now, push the pump. Perfect.
She's solid as a rock,
Ready for a good night. I'm securing this snow stake deep into the ground. See how I'm pulling the rope tight? That ensures the tension holds, even in strong winds. All right, perfect setup. Everything's ready. Yes, it is. All right, that's the mat. Now for the bag. Looks perfect. Good night, Mount Rainier.
This is exactly what I needed.
That's just perfect for this snow. It's beautiful out there. Time to warm up. Looks like these are almost ready. That's exactly what I needed. It's beautiful out there, but this is much better. Morning from Mount Rainier. It's so cozy in here. This is exactly what I needed.
Good morning, Rainier. What a sight.
Time for a refreshing winter walk. The early morning light here at Mount Rainier is truly breathtaking, painting the snowy peaks in hues of gold and pink. The conditions here on Mount Rainier can change quickly. Always bring proper gear and stick to the marked trails. This forest is the heart of Mount Rainier's ecosystem. Look at these trees. They filter water and provide vital habitat. Welcome to Mount Rainier National Park. At over 14,000 feet, this magnificent volcano is covered in vast glaciers. As you can see, the river is entirely frozen over during this winter near Mount Rainier. The walk has been really great. It's so peaceful out here, and the snow is just beautiful. Back to the warmth. That was a nice walk. Time to get some firewood. Need to be quick about it. All right, this area looks promising. The pines are thick here. I'm looking for a fallen one, ideally. Let's see what we can find for a good fire tonight. Check for moisture content, see how brittle it is. Dry wood snaps easily, indicating it's ready for a fire. Look at this grain, perfectly dry. All right, this looks good. Need some kindling too. This one should burn nicely. I'm just gonna wrap this rope around the bundle here, give it a tight pull to make sure all the pieces are secure, and finish with a strong knot. All right, time to head back. Almost there. This wood will be perfect for a warm fire and some lunch. Almost there, just a bit further. What was that? What was that? Hello?
Hey, it's okay. I see it. I'm gonna help you.
There, little one. It's all right. You're safe now. Soft bleat. You're safe now, little one. Ba. Look at that. They're together.
All right, let's get going. Almost home now.
Back safe. That was quite an adventure. So glad to be back.
Okay, this spot looks stable. Not too close, but out of the wind. Just right. Okay, that's better. Got to make sure it's clear and dry. Safety first.
You'll want to build a small tower with dry sticks. Put the tinder in the middle. Now, lay the larger pieces carefully around it.
All right, that's got it. Perfect for lunch.
All right, that's just perfect. Time to get started. Smells great out here. Just gotta flip these beauties over.
All right, these ribs are looking perfect. Time to eat. Check this out.
This BBQ is just what I needed.
Oh,
Nothing better than good food by a warm fire in the snow.
be careful on the ice. The view here is simply incredible. This is truly majestic. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. Look at that view. Just perfect. Whoa, I got some amazing shots.
Back to the blue tent after a beautiful hike. All right, checklist confirmed. Backpack's ready. Let's finish packing this up. I've got the sleeping bag in first, then the stove. All set for the night.
All right, that's the last bit of snow off the floor. Ready to pack it up.
Okay, let's open these valves and get this deflated. Almost there, just a little more pressure on this last fold. There we go. Okay, into the bag now, it fits perfectly. Secure the zipper, all set.
I'm ready to head back now. It's been an adventure, but I think it's time for a warm bed.
Evening, mate. Just waiting for my ride. Coming right up. Long day up there?
Thanks for watching my Mount Rainier winter camping adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.